So how to transfer money from Lloyds to Monzo. So to transfer money between Lloyds and Monzo, the first thing you're going to want to do is you're going to want to open up the Lloyds app, which as you can see we've got it on screen here. And you also want to go ahead and open up the Monzo app, which as you can see we've got Monzo open right here. So once you've got the Monzo app open, you simply just want to click on Add Money right here. Then once you've clicked on Add Money, you'll see this easy bank transfer option right here, and you simply just want to select See All Banks. Then once you've selected on See All Banks, you simply just want to select Lloyds. Then once you've selected Lloyds, you simply just want to input the amount that you wish to transfer from Lloyds to Monzo. So for the example of this video, we're going to say £10. Then once you've inputted the amount, click Agree and Continue, and then it will bring you through to this page here, and you simply just want to select Just Transfer. Then once you've selected Just Transfer, this will then pull you through to your Lloyds app, where you simply just want to go ahead and authorise the payment between Lloyds and your Monzo account. So you want to go ahead and authorise that, and once it's authorised, it will pull you back to your Monzo account, and it will then confirm you that you have successfully transferred money between Lloyds and Monzo. And if you go ahead and open up your transactions, you should see the transaction in your account right here, and it's as simple as that. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe as it helps the channel massively. If you have any questions, feel free to comment them below, and thanks again for watching.